I'm Marvin. I'm gonna show you my new helicopter. I'm gonna teach you how to use it. So my helicopter is over here, as you can see, and my controller. And this helicopter can only fly 12 meters high. What sucks is you charge it for 2 hours, and then you can fly it for 8 minutes. So I'm gonna show you. So last time I tried to fly it, it hit me. It hurts so much. So I'm gonna open it. If you have a helicopter like mine, and as you can see this thing, you have to put it, insert it over here. See this thing? This thing is for on and off. So we're gonna on it. And here's the control on. So it's blinking. If it's blinking, we can't fly it yet. We have to wait 6 seconds. Now it stops blinking. Now we can fly it. I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna fly it because my camera, I can't put it up. So here we go. As you can see, it's turning right because of this. So this, you can use this when this thing broke. See? You can see it's turning right and left. So we're gonna fix it. Now, I'm gonna try to make it fly. So I have to wait for a second. There's my helicopter. I fail. Wait. So this helicopter is for only 14 years old. So yeah. And it's $69. And you can buy this at Toys R Us, Walmart, Superstore, and any stores. So yeah, bye.